Hello dear student, I am Pradeep Kumar. I have done BTech in Civil Engineering from SIIT affiliated to AKTU and I have done DLED from NIOS. Currently I am teaching here DIS Basarpur, Gorakhpur. I have 5 years teaching experience. Today, today in this session we discuss your new chapter Nutrition in Animal. In this chapter, topic to be covered digestion in human being, various point related to this topic. First one is a mouth, food pipe, small intestine, large intestine, absorption of food, digestion in grass eating animals, digestion in amoeba. So here we are going on talk about nutrition in animal. You have learned in chapter first that plant can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis, but animal cannot. All organisms including human require food for growth, repair and functioning of the body. So nutrition is again all about obtaining food. So whenever we talk about living organism, the process which takes place inside the body of living organism, and these processes are known as life process. So in our previous lesson we spoke about the nutrition in plant, that is how plant obtain their food. So what are the different way by which the different plant get their nutrition, which is very important for their survival. So here will we see what is the various way by which animals can obtain their food. So life process which are common to both plants as well as animals. Different life processes: nutrition, respiration, excretion, control and coordination, reproduction, growth and development, movement. First one is the nutrition. It deals with everything related to food. How the organism get food, how enter the food, how to food digest in the body and provide to energy of the body. Second one is the respiration as well as breathing. The process is might be little different from the plant, but all these life process occur both plant and animal. Third one is excretion. Excretion is all about of throwing waste product from the body. Next one is a control and coordination. Control and coordination as about synchronization between different part of the body. Reproduction, to produce similar organism. Next one is the growth and development. Growth and development is the other important aspect of the every organism. Movement, the ability of organism move from one place to other place. Why we need nutrition? Then you already know that every living organism need for nutrition because their maintenance of the organism include human required food for the growth, repair and functioning of the body. Nutrition is the chemical composition of all the vitamin, mineral and carbohydrate. Animal nutrition include nutrient required mode of intake of food and its utilization. The human digestive system consists of the alimentary canal and secretory gland. It consists of the buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, ending in rectum and anus. Nutrition is a complex process involving ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, egestion. What is the ingestion? What is the ingestion? The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. Next one is the digestion. The digestive tract and the associated gland together consist the digestive system. Absorption. Next point is the absorption. The digested food can now pass into the blood vessel in the wall of the intestine. This process is called absorption. Next one is the assimilation. This point is the about the absorbed substance are transported via the blood vessel of different organs of the body, where they are used to build complex substances such as protein required by the body. This is called assimilation. Okay, and next one is a egestion. The fecal matter is removed through the anus from time to time. This is called egestion. This is the figure of human digestive system. You also see in this figure buccal cavity, salivary gland, esophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. The grazing animal like cow, buffalo and deer are known as ruminant. They quickly ingest, swallow their leafy food and store it in the rumen. Later the food returns to the mouth and animals chew it peacefully. Amoeba ingests its food with the help of its false feet or pseudopodia. The food is digested in the food vehicle.